Yo, hey guys, Kim Perryman here, and I'm back again, and I got something kind of cool. I think it's gonna be something fun, but it's right here in this plain brown box that I'm looking at down here. Right there. Let's get right into it, and I'll talk about what it is while I dig into the plastics and stuff. I mean, I just got this in the mail like just a little bit ago, and when I got it, I wanted to jump right into it. Now, you'll look at it here and you'll see, you might be able to put something together here, right? It's model system, CPU brand, screen size. So it's basically a laptop computer. There, I said it, it's there, we're out, okay? All right, now it is from the Gizun store who sent this to me. It's their computer system, so I'm going to go ahead and walk through this device and give you a quick look at the unboxing portion of this and let you know how this goes. Okay, in one box here, there's some stuff in it. Let's see what's in here. Power brick, cool, okay. Looks like there's something else back in there. Oh, it was the plastic bag that it came in. It just slid out of the plastic bag. So there's a power connector for this. So it will not be running or charged by USB-C. It will be run by its own independent power source. Oh, this is packaged, I think, pretty well. So you got a card here. Let me go through the card real quick. Yeah, Gizun, all right. Highlight your wonderful life. Dear buyer, thank you for your support. Please register your lifetime support within 14 days. If you have any problems during setup, please contact us firstly for help. So yeah, after sales team email support, after sales team email, and it's, yeah, really nice. Got a bunch of stuff in there, a couple questions that you might be asking. They've got that covered, and there's nothing else in the box. Let's continue to move on. So we got this nice foam box. Oh wait, hold on, let's go ahead in here. So this is the user model D1420 14.1 inch laptop. Basically some quick startup guide and also giving you some information about the laptop itself. It's just a little pocket sleeve that holds the computer. Nice packaging. Yeah, it's in there. It's a little bit thicker than the smaller laptops you see nowadays, but it's not too thick, just a little thicker. We'll go ahead and show you that here in a second. You got a bunch of screws around the outside. You got this nice rubber foot. It's a very thick rubber foot. 2 rubber pads back here. I am betting that is your SSD, your NVMe SSD hard drive that's in this device. You can see the thickness here. Got a little bit of a thickness in the back of this computer here. Let us go ahead and get this opened. Nice little keyboard protector, and it looks like it has a protective over the mouse pad here. Let's go ahead and get her. Let's go around the computer itself real quick. How far does she scooch back? Oh, wow. Okay, so it does not fold all the way back, but it does fold relatively flat. There is, and thank God for that, because you get to see the whole screen. The screen covers a good portion of the upper lid here. You do see that there is a webcam associated to it. I think you have 2 speaker holes right there. You have rubber feet here, so when you close the laptop, it will collapse or push down against the body here. It is all plastic. It might have some support on the inside because it does not flex very much at all. Now in here you have lights that light up for your power, your caps locks, and probably, I believe, your your mouse pad lock, I believe. We'll see. We'll check that out. I'm not sure. You got an Intel Celeron computer inside, or CPU inside. Let's go ahead and close this up. That's a very stiff. This is not going to be up to about this point, and then it'll lock. So you will not be able to open this up with one hand. It's got a quite stiff hinge on it, but it works. Let's go on to this side here real quick. You do have you have your DC connection, you have your USB, you have a micro, is that a micro HDMI? You have a USB-C connection over here. I tell you what, is that a micro USB? No, it says HDMI. Okay, HDMI. All right, so HDMI, USB-C, SD, TF card, SD card, headphones, and another USB. Looks like at least 3.0 with the blue color. Could be 3.0, could be 3.1. Let's go ahead and take a look at it real quick. I mean, there's a power button right here. Actually, good movement on the keys. It feels a bit on the plastic side, but they do have some good movement on it. Let's see what the power button is. Let me press and hold. It does seem to have some juice in there. The power button has lit up. Okay, Gizun Windows logo. I'm hoping that you guys can see this. Let me make sure that you all, yeah, you can see it. Cool. The screen, very clear. I don't know, it could be crazy, but it just very clear, bright appearance of the characters. The characters look very clean on the screen, and this is like a non-fingerprinty type of screen. It's a little bit matte too. It does have some reflectivity of the light, and it's this light right here that's reflecting off of it, but okay. The mouse is working, seems to be quite functional. They just call me Ken. Hi, they're getting things ready for me, so it's gonna take a moment. I just want to see that. That is pretty clean view on the screen. I do kind of like this. So let's go to right click on this. Let's go properties. Let's see what we have here. It is an Intel Celeron 1.1 gigahertz, 8 gigs, device ID, product ID, 64-bit operating system, no pen, no touch. Right. Whoa. Computer description. It's nightlight. Ooh, I see. Battery saver. Ready to go. Cool. Let's just quit screwing around. Bluetooth. Let's do the Wi-Fi. Let's go with what I know. I think the biggest thing that I'm impressed with on this is that it's got a really good looking screen. Well, let's go ahead and do a quick check on the internet. Seems to go to the internet pretty quick. Confirm and start browsing. Wow, that returned quick. All right, so let's just go right straight to YouTube. Let's check out some videos. Just any random video. I know it's going to want me to sign in, but we'll just skip past that here in a sec. Best fails. I don't know. I hope I don't get demonetized. I don't know how I could, but anyway, let's just check how the videos work.
Switch to Chrome to load your favorite sites fast, so you can browse with ease.
Where's my speaker?
Safe, yours.
Skip ads. Oh, 1080p. Let's see what we do with 1080p. Wow, looks pretty good. Oh, not smart guy. All right, hold on. You know what? You know who won't? You know who won't demonetize me? Me. Don't know why that popped up first. That's very interesting. There me is. Let's go to the videos. Let's see. Some of these are 4K. Let's go ahead and check this guy out. Let's go ahead and set the settings.
Yo, hey guys, Kid Paired me here, and I got another really cool product, I think. I think it's kind of cool. I do. I like. Yo, hey guys, Kid Paired me here, and I got another really cool product, I think. I think it's kind of cool. I do. I like it. It's well, it's this guy. It is the what's that? H89 HD projector.
208 gigabytes to 237 gigabytes. That's obviously got Windows, other USB-C connection, and a hard drive. USB-C connection. Okay, plug that in. It did find my black 1 terabyte. Go ahead and just say open the folder and take a look at it. 4K 1080p videos. Oh, let's see what this looks like. Play on this. Playing it directly from the hard drive. Okay, that's not too bad. This is just raw video of me doing a product review on another product, and my audio is connected to another device, so it sounds like I'm whispering, but it's because I'm using audio from another camera, not this one. All right, well, that's 4K. It's running really nice. It's off the Insta360. That's actually really nice. I don't know why I just did that. Let's go back to that camera. Amazon. There's some videos in here. Let's see what this looks like. Do I have audio? No. Do I have audio? Yes.
Right.
Yeah. All right. So, I mean, I'm just pulling, and it's playing videos off of a hard drive. It's running quite fast. I think there's a few more things. Maybe we're going to delve into this and take a look at it. But right out of the box, it's a great computer. It's a 14.1 inch computer. I think that definitely at this moment, just looking at this is a great computer that you can give your children, maybe for using for studying or whatever it is that they need to do for schoolwork or whatnot. It seems to be quick enough, powerful enough to do just what they need related to that. This is not going to be a gaming computer. This is not what this is set up for. This is set up for your daily business, your day-to-day, a daily driver type thing, doing Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoints, doing a few things on there. I say Excel and all that stuff, yeah, because that's what I'm used to working, but it's basically anything that you plan on that you're going to be working day-to-day, working with databases, spreadsheets, to that effect, working on something that's not going to be memory or CPU laden, like gaming and whatnot, and intense video editing and stuff like that. What it's going to be, though, like I said, is it's going to be that daily driver of doing work and getting on the internet and checking a few things and looking at a few items and being able to take care of a bit of business also while you're looking at maybe even something for that personal side. I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time, and I'm out.